Today I want to speak to young people and the parents of young people. Let me begin with a real life story of one student who attended our courses a few years ago. He was a brilliant student but was slowly sinking into depression because of his troubled relationship with his father. In our youth course, he came upon a deep forgiveness towards his father and set himself free internally. He completed his plus 2 in flying colors. And by this time, his father and all his relatives began to mount pressure on him to pursue economics and accounts and become a chartered accountant. He came back to the next stage of our youth program and became extremely clear that he could not see himself going through people's accounts behind a desk for the rest of his life. He simply could not see himself doing that. In one of the Limitless Field meditations with me, he was in a state of deep divine communion, and it occurred to him that he felt most fulfilled in every occasion when he fed people. In fact, food was something that had always interested him. He knew the divine had shown him his calling. He went back home and told his dad that he was going to pursue culinary education. His dad stopped speaking to him for days. His relatives mocked at him that he was training to become a cook. The path shown by the divine shone brightly in his heart, and he moved unperturbed and not wasting his energy on people's remarks. Today, he owns a health food business where he and his team study the health requirements of people in various organizations and apartments. He sends them lunch boxes with vegan food, raw food, and Ayurvedic food. 10 years of steady focus and staying true to his passion. Today, he is a budding success story. Naturally, all his relatives respect him and in fact envy him. Keeping the story as a background, I want you to listen to me. As young people, you can follow two dharmas, Swadharma and Paradharma. What is Paradharma? Paradharma is following a path that is not aligned to your core, to who you are. You choose that career path because parents, society, or relatives asked you to take it up. Or you choose a career path because your friends chose it and you will have company. Or you choose a career path because you are jealous of your brother or sister and you want to be better than them to win your parents' love. Or worse still, you choose that career path because it is easy and it will give you easy money or instant fame. All this is Paradharma. When you follow Paradharma, your life will become messy and scary. You will land in problems and live in discontent for the rest of your lives. Let us now talk of Swadharma. To discover your Swadharma and to live it is one of the great evolutionary milestones in life and a true blessing from the divine. Swadharma will always have 3 characteristics to it. 1. It always is in alignment with your core nature. Let us say you are a compassionate person by nature. You will have to choose a career that will help you connect emotionally to people. You may choose a path of healing the body or the mind. Say you are someone whose passion is knowledge. You must choose a path accordingly. If your heart feels deeply about matters such as justice and you're driven to protect, you must choose your path in tune with that. The key to discovering your Swadharma is to deeply and truly know yourself. 2. Swadharma is never self-centered. It is not a path you pursue because it is easy, pleasurable, or will give you importance. You are not in it for money, but wealth and success come to those who follow their Swadharma. Swadharma is always a path that will cause well-being to you and to others. Your path inspires you because it causes well-being to others and the earth. Swadharma is when you are driven by a passion to create a difference. 3. Swadharma is something you absolutely love doing. Not only the glamorous stuff of that career path, but also the details and everyday hard work. It is sheer love and passion that will give you the strength to cross the obstacles. When you follow your Swadharma, you feel that you are like a vessel on the sea that is favored by the winds to move towards its destination. The divine will be with you, spurring your onward journey with synchronicities and breakthroughs. Preetaji and I are very passionate about awakening millions of young people to their Swadharma. For only those who are living their Swadharma can create social change, political change, cultural change, and environmental change. Only young people can create a revolution. Remember, if you have to create this external change, inner change is the key.